In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix latency in Reaper. Now to do this, you want to go to Options up top, you want to go to the bottom, you may have to click on this arrow down to actually see Preferences, and you want to click on Preferences. You could also go and press Ctrl and P on your keyboard, and it's going to open up the same thing just like this. Now from here, the first thing that you can do to actually kind of fix your latency is to go to Audio over here and then Device. Now in here, you want to go and set your audio system to something else. By default, usually on Windows, you're going to have something like this wave out over here. You can go and try ASIO, so this ACO over here if you can, or at least this WASAPI, okay, or WASAPI, okay? So, of course, whichever one you can do, you can go and select that, and that's going to help you a bit, okay? And then, of course, you can apply and hit OK. And then the second thing you can do in here, which is kind of the easiest to do, is to adjust your buffer size. So you can see your block size over here if you're using this WASAPI over here, or WAS API, whatever. And then from here, you can see the block size. And if you have this at like 512, you could go and basically change it to, for example, 256, like this over here. Or if you can, you could go to even like something like 128, okay? So you could also go to 64 if your computer is fast enough. But if it's not, and if your latency, of course, gets worse, you hear kind of clicking and popping, you may have to go up more, okay? So we can go back like to something like down here, like 256, etc. And as you can see at the bottom, it's always going to show you the latency. So the lower I go, the less latency I'm going to have. If I go 1 to 8, I have 2 milliseconds. If I go to 64, I have 1 millisecond, etc. Okay? So do what you can. I'm going to keep it at 512 for now. And of course, you want to hit apply, and that's it. But if you're using this wave out over here, you could also go and change these buffers over here. So if you can see something like me here, you can try to change it, for example, from 8 here to 4 like this. It's going to change the latency as well. And you can go and change this second one over here to something like 256 or maybe like 128 or even less if your computer can handle that, okay? If you hear popping and kind of rambling when you're recording and doing, of course, stuff in here, it means you have to just up that a bit, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. Then hit the apply and OK buttons and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.